Hey guys, it's Tika Marie here. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. So I am doing a quick video. This is not a Q&A, but I did want to hop on here and do like a formal introduction because I feel like I've hopped on YouTube and I didn't really explain what I'm doing, what I want to do. So I want you guys to get to know me as a person, just know what I'm planning to do with my YouTube channel. So if you are interested, stay tuned.
I've been all in my phone, I got options, and I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too.
So this will not be a long video. Again, I just want to introduce myself, and I want my subscribers to know who I am and what this page would be all about. So I'm Tika Marie. I'm 37 years old. I live in Atlanta, Georgia. I am a mother. I am an entrepreneur. I have a small business called Essence of Wellness. So I provide health and wellness products. And if you're ever looking for any health and wellness products, you can go to my website. That is essenceofwellness.org. I will leave that information down in the link below. So at this point, I am a full-time entrepreneur. I do it all. I do catering, I do deliveries, I do ambassador work. I just do everything. So I decided to start my journey as a content creator. So this is what my page is all about. And I'm now I guess you could say, full-time, part-time content creator. When I decided I wanted to be a content creator, I was like, okay, I got to figure out what niche do I want to be in. And I'm the type of girl who is just kind of like into everything. So I'm into fashion, I'm into beauty products, I'm into DIYs, I'm just into everything. So I just been trying to figure that out, so bear with me. So basically my page will have a bit of everything right now. So you'll see just some fashion try-on hauls, you'll see some reviews, skincare reviews, you'll just see reviews on just things, products that I like to use, things that I like to wear, you'll see all of that. If you're already a subscriber to my channel, again, thank you so much for subscribing, and I will try my best to upload videos at least once a week, but those videos will be just different videos. Like I said, I really don't have one particular niche right now, but there will be just different videos like try-on hauls, different types of reviews, tutorials. I have so many things that I want to review. I have these new lashes that I'm trying. I have these press-on nails. I have so many things I just want to do reviews on. I like to shop, so you'll still see more try-on hauls. So if you're just that type of girl who just love beauty, fashion, affordable fashion, this will be the page that you need to subscribe to. Like, I'm really that girl who loves affordable fashion. I feel like I can look cute without breaking the bank. I feel like I can put an outfit together from Target, from Walmart, from Shein, from Pretty Little Thing. I feel like I can go to the beauty supply store and purchase some Marley hair and do my own crochets. I can put on press-on nails. I can just do it all. And I'm here to have a channel where I'm here to do those type of tutorials, do those type of reviews. I just want to just be that girl, just everyday, just affordable fashion. Most of the things that I've learned how to do, like my hair, makeup, my nails, just all those things I learned from YouTube. I call YouTube the University of YouTube. So anything I need to learn, I usually look it up on YouTube. So I know that I want to be the type of person that provide other women videos that help out with just different tutorials. So again, my page will just have a little bit of everything. So make sure you are subscribing to this channel. And again, I will make sure I try to post a video at least once a week. I'll also be doing reviews on my health and wellness recommendations, and these are pretty much products that I purchased off of Amazon. I purchased a lot of natural supplements off of Amazon. I do sell health and wellness products myself, but it's a lot of products that I do not sell. So these are just items that I take on a daily basis, just certain capsules that I take that I feel like they're very important for women over a certain age. So I will be doing a lot of reviews on that as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this up. Like I said, I didn't want this video to be too long. I just wanted to come on here and say hello to all of my subscribers that I already have, and say hello to my new subscribers. And I hope that you all stay on the channel with me just to embark on this new journey of just content creation. And again, I'm here to just make a full lifestyle channel, and I need you guys to support me. So please make sure you subscribe to my channel. And if you guys want to check out any of my try-on hauls, my main page on Instagram is Tika Marie Styles. I'll put that either up here, I'll put all the information down below in the description as well. So again, make sure you are liking and subscribing to my channel, and I will see you guys soon.